Hi guys, so this video is going to be how I clean my makeup brushes and my beauty blender, and I'm using the Just Essential oils, Just Essential products, and I'm using their brush cleaner. It is also antibacterial. These are all the brushes that I'll be cleaning tonight. Yes, it's nighttime and the bathroom is, I don't have any lights up, so that's just like the bulb. But again, it's just Shea Essentials, and I can go on jazzygb.com to purchase. I don't know what that eyeliner is doing there. Like, I don't know what that's doing there. So, yeah, so let's just get started. So I'm just getting my beauty blender wet, and then I'm going to spray. I didn't know if I think I locked it the first time I squeezed. I just twist it back around to unlock the bottle, which is good for travel. So I'm just shaking it up and then squirting it in my hand, then literally just dipping my beauty blender in my hand and just rubbing it together. And you see when I squeeze how much makeup comes out. See that? Now with this beauty blender, I use it to do everything that day. I use it to do my liquid foundation, then I use it for my my highlights, all everything foundation wise that doesn't include powder. That's what I use the beauty blender for. So you're going to see eventually what I did. I just squirted some more of the Just brush cleaner on my beauty blender, and I allow it to sit so it could work through the entire sponge, so that by the time I'm ready to wash it, it's easy for me to wash rather than just squeezing. So I'm going to do as well. I'm going to leave this running, and I'm going to just put some music in the background so you guys can see how I clean my beauty blender and how I clean my brushes. I hope you guys don't mind, but I'm going to be doing this in real time, or maybe not, because this entire process took me 10 minutes and 5 seconds as I'm looking at it right now in my timer. So I'm just going to speed up a little bit, and then I am just going to add some music. So thank you so much, Just. I actually purchased this myself. They're only $10, and the bottle is bigger than what I expected. It's only $10 on jazzygb.com site. See, I'm setting it aside for to use. It's only $10 on jazzygb.com site. That's my other brush. That's my dual fiber brush, and you can see how it just gets it clean. Look at that. I love it. And what I must say about this brush cleaner is that it leaves my brushes soft. Not soft with like an oily film on it. You know, when back in the day when you used to use dishwashing liquid and olive oil, how your brushes would be kind of oily. Not this at all. It leaves them soft, but without it being oily. It literally conditions your bristles, your brush bristles. So that's amazing to have. And I actually purchased a bunch of them for my hands-on makeup classes. So yeah, so that's what I'll be using. So I'm just going to shut up right now and allow you guys to watch what is going on. Alright, then, cool. I love you guys. Thank you so much. jazzygb.com. It's only $10, you guys, for the brush cleaner. Only $10. Alright, you guys. TTYL.
God bless. Hey boy DJ. Yeah, I made some scriptures. Bible. I'ma say Isaiah, read on Isaiah. Yeah man, I have to make a joyful Isaiah. Yeah, me a say no. Lord I'm a shepherd, all of my friend them a Balaam. We know this so be a God, we know Balaam. We are like Abraham. No say when the Lord stay long, him a go make a way ram. If I never hear on, God wouldn't appear unto me like Moses. Bush burning like Samson, me determined fi kill evil with me beer on. God a God from day one. And no man is an island unless them a Cayman. Make me put this in a layman term. If I never Jesus me, that be a layman. See man who carry the children, them in a Canaan. Everybody feel up the Lord rain, man, him able for wipe all the stain off of Canaan. Him fall rain and make heaven and earth are the first thing me learn in a grade 1. Hey, me nah worry, I know me nah fret. Jesus Christ, he never fail me yet. Why him go fi joke, no me nah go forget. Jesus Christ, he never fail me yet. Tell them me nah worry, I know me nah fret. Jesus Christ, he never fail me yet. And you, the wages of sin that are debt. Jesus Christ, he never fail me yet. If I never Jacob be a club me with a floss in a one party with a cause them a pay stub, AK submachine. God wash me off in the love machine. If you look, you see a base hood. Jesus dead pon the cross, waste blood. Fan him head and him palm and him waste blood. Vampire who a walk and a taste blood over how I do away with paste blood. Can't do me nothing like Daniel in the den. Car man a prophet like Samuel. And even if me drive hard, me no crash like a hard drive. Like say me the inna the del. If I never David, I would the Bible. You say me what day with I would a AK with a banana clip I play with like gorilla. Feel way big when me a travel like Gulliver. Me wouldn't have no heart, no liver. Dirty Babylon with a freak out and go liver. Following me that make blood a run like dungeon. Never Malachi. My ties me woulda have a buy. Shoes and clothes and a eye book me swagger fly. But if me don't show me one thing, you see like how a criminal a rob a guy. So me rob the other night and Ananias and Sapphire. Rob up the offering and a line me with a dirty like in the August tie. Me wouldn't want to give God a try. If you save and a try save me no bother try. If I never Jesus things with a sticky like beeswax. Me wouldn't read Matthew Mark, wouldn't read Acts. Don't go a hell that 100 degrees max. Deal with the devil dread like Bob Marley's locks. Satan salt like him get a sea breeze box. I salt like me daughter Destiny snacks. Devil want me go mad and a freeze box. Funeral I keep so me get rid of these glocks. You want the Lord see me on say see Jobia. When nothing I want me nah go Wokobia. Me nah come off of the road because me don't have no uranophobia. Hey, me nah worry I know me nah fret. Jesus Christ he never fail me yet. Why him do fi joke no me nah go forget. Jesus Christ he never fail me yet. Tell them me nah worry I know me nah fret. Jesus Christ he never fail me yet. And you the wages of sin that I did. Jesus Christ he never fail me yet. That's why me say make a joyful noise ya. Scripture me read and a rise ya. Chapter 14 of Isaiah. Me lift devil shock like a live wire. When you sow your seed, read the scripture, see some fertilizer ya. And if you want escape sin, make devil officer. See my guy ya.